Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add annotations to Mixpanel. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into your Mixpanel account and open up a board. Okay. Once done, go to a specific report. For example, I have here a ton of reports. Okay. For example, we have the total users submitting reports right here. So just click on the report by just clicking on the tab right here at the top. Besides the report name, click. Now you can go ahead and hover your mouse over a data point, okay, on this chart where you can go ahead and click on the plus sign. For example, May 10, okay. You have the details right here and just click on the plus sign to add annotation. Select the date and the time. Once done, add a description, okay. Sample annotation. And once that's done, just click on save. I won't be able to save it because this is just a preview of a sample project. Okay. So for you, if this is your own project, just click on save. And once done, your annotation will be visible right here on the chart. And you can click on it to view the full text. You could also edit or delete existing annotations from there. Right? There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.